the bench today we have a Lenovo x230. As you see, there's a lot of sticky stuff on there from when I peeled off the protective covering. Checking it over still. Always good to give it a visual. I'm not looking at all the board due to the fact that I can see it through a microscope, so I need to pull down more or up more so you can actually see the edge of the board. Still looking okay. Nothing jumping out. Bit of corrosion. A few broken pins. Carry on. That's just a bit of glue on there. Nothing else noticed. No other issues. This is going to need to come off. Fortunately, when I was recording, it didn't record this part, taking it off. All the pads are clean. Put some leaded on it. This is the side that had the broken pins, bit of corrosion. Done a bit of rework on this. Checked continuity between all the pads. And there was a couple of pads that weren't connected. So I've done a bit of repair on there. Again, didn't record. Put the new chip on. Again, not recorded. Give it a test. For some reason it's not working. I'm going to figure out why it's not working. $19 going in. Fuse. And up to the first MOSFET. Check board view to check where it's going to. Check on there, and it's going to another fuse. Fuse is on the other side. Fuse 20. Flip the board over. Try and find out where else it is. Down by the connector. Just up a bit from there. There's some fuses. F20 in the middle. Check my probe. See if 19 volts is going to it, which it is. Check the other side, see if it's going through, which it's not. So we've got blown fuse. Have a look at the schematics next. Noticed F19 and F20 are the same. One's for the dock, and obviously one's for the normal powering. Decided to use the fuse from the dock because it won't be used as the replacement. So back to the fuse. Put a bit of flux on it, bit of flux on 19. Don't like putting too much on them. And he ends up wasting it. Decided to use my new tweezers, hot tweezers, to get these off. First time using them, had it set to 300. Didn't quite work properly. Broke fuse 20. Didn't really matter because it was blown anyway. Turned it up to 350 and then it was good. I'm just setting it up at the moment. As you can see, it's struggling a little bit. Eventually desolders it and then it breaks. So I'll turn up to 350 from 300. And then it's all good. Get the bit off that's broken off. Get rid of the F1. Transfer F19 to the F20. Give it a bit clean up. Get rid of the flux. Then turn it over, give it a test. Didn't bother checking if voltage was going through the fuse. Always give it a brush first and come in with a lint-free cloth. just to clean it a bit better, get rid of any marks. Looks good. Right, back to testing. Didn't put the keyboard on it. Chuck that in on in a minute. There it is. Keyboard on. It's obviously found the boot a few times. Comes up with a recovery. Let's just restart it. Be fine. And there it is. Thanks for watching.